the treatment centers in the city are getting full. We are preparing as much as possible, and the China medical team has been a great help in this regard. They have been supplying us with protective PPE materials and other sort of helpers to the team. And like I said earlier, the team that came from Wuhan, they shared their experience in detail, and we are amazed in their level of action, because they controlled it very well. And we take that experience and translate it to our own setup, because there is a difference in setup and economical situation in our two countries.
The first case was almost 5 months back, and the first thing we did was discuss with the China medical team, as we have affiliations with hospitals in China. So they provided us with orientation on the ongoing novel coronavirus at the time. So we have been receiving a huge amount of support from the China medical team and from the Chinese government, and we are very grateful for that.
新冠肺炎发生以来，我们对这个疾病还缺乏认识。我们根据国内国家卫健委发的资料，就认真学习这方面的知识。我们把我们学到的这个关于新冠防治的相关知识，及时的为提供类似北京医院进行这个人员培训，一些防护措施进行落实。